Hello kids, welcome to Slokamithra. Today we are going to learn the English alphabet from A to Z with 4 fun words for each letter. Are you ready? Let's begin. Before going to video, like and subscribe our Slokamithra. A for apple. A for ant. A for aeroplane. A for alligator. Great job! That's the letter A. B for ball. B for banana. B for bird. B for butterfly. Awesome! That's B. C for cat. C for car. C for cow. C for cake. Wonderful! That's C. D for dog. D for duck. D for doll. D for drum. Excellent! That's D. E for elephant. E for egg. E for eagle. E for engine. Fantastic! That's E. F for fish. F for flower. F for frog. F for fan. Great! That's F. G for goat. G for grapes. G for giraffe. G for gift. Very good, amazing. That's G. H for hat. H for hen. H for horse. H for house. Wonderful! That's H. I for ice cream. I for igloo. I for ink. I for insect. Excellent! That's I. J for jug. J for juice. J for jellyfish. J for jeep. Great! That's J. K for kite. K for king. K for kangaroo. K for key. Awesome! That's K. L for lion. L for lemon. L for leaf. L for lamp. Fantastic! That's L. M for mango. M for monkey. M for moon. M for milk. Excellent, that's M. N. N for nest. N for nose. N for nurse. N for notebook. Wonderful, that's N. O. O for orange. O for owl. O for octopus. O for ox. Great, that's O. P. P for parrot. P for pencil. P for panda. P for pumpkin. Amazing, that's P. Q. Q for queen. Q for quilt. Q for quail. Q for question. Excellent, that's Q. R. R for rabbit. R for rainbow. R for rose. R for robot. Awesome, that's R. Yes. S for sun. S for snake. S for star. S for sheep. Fantastic, that's S. T. T for tiger. T for tree. T for train. T for turtle. Very good, that's T. U. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. U for uniform. U for uncle. Excellent, that's U. V. V for van. V for vase. V for violin. V for volcano. Great, that's V. W. W for watermelon. W for whale. W for watch. W for window. Amazing, that's W. X. X for xylophone. X for X-ray. X for Xmas tree. X for Xerox. Excellent, that's X. Y. Y for egg. Y for egg. Y for yo-yo. Y for yogurt. Wonderful, that's Y. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Z for jeep. Z for zigzag. Hooray! That's Z. Fantastic, everyone. You learned the English alphabet from A to Z and 104 new words today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Slokamithra. See you in the next fun learning video. Bye bye.